How to disable 2FA on Fortnite. So first, what you need to do is just search for Epic Games right here, and just simply click on their website and wait for it to load. And once you're on the website, you just simply need to click on your account right here. So click on your name here at the top. Make sure you're logged in first, and once you're logged in, go to your account or your account settings. Then wait for it to load just like that. And once you're here on your account settings, click on the password and security here on the left side. And it will bring you here on the 2FA tab right here. And let's say you have your email enabled. So you simply need to click on the three dots and click on remove method. And this will pop up right here. Just simply click on remove email authentication. And as you can see, it is now removed just like that. So it will be the same on other two-factor methods right there. But that's basically it.